Hi friends, welcome to Exams Daily YouTube channel. Today in this video, I would like to share you about the latest recruitment notification which was released by Medical and Health Recruitment Board of Assam. For that, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for more details. Medical and Health Recruitment Board of Assam, which was running under the Department of Health and Family Welfare Department of India, and they have released a latest notification for various posts, and they have also mentioned the vacancy, eligibility criteria and pay scale and the selection process for all of these posts. So if you are having a passion of working in a medical field and if you are interested in this post, you can apply for this. So it is a very good and well-known opportunity for everyone in Assam. So they have mentioned that if you are interested and if you are applying for this, the basic quality is you should be an Indian citizenship and you should possess as an Indian citizen. This is the basic qualification for all of these posts, and the name of the post has been given and the department of the post has also been given, so you can check through it. And for category wise, they have differentiated the vacancies details, and for all of this post there are totally 415 posts are there. The number of vacancies can vary or may not vary due to the administrative decisions, so please be aware of these things. So if you are applying for this, you can check through it. For your convenience, we have given the official notification link in the description box so that you will be getting extra reference also. And the next is about the category of disability. So if you are a person with having disability, you will be given extra reservation and you will be also getting relaxation. So the category that is for the disability, they have given some of the criteria. So if you are then orthopedically handicapped with at least one arm and one leg, low vision, hearing handicapped and blind may be considered to perform with aids and appliances. So you can apply for this, and they have given like this, so you can check through it. And next is about the scale of pay. The basic scale of pay for every post is 57,700 and the maximum is 1,82,400 with PM. It is the academic pay level of 10, and other allowances will be given as per the rules. So for each and every post, the pay level scale is changing and allowances is also be changing, so you can check through it. And next is about the age limit. If you are applying for this, you should not less than 21 years and not more than 38 years of age. So the highest age limit is 38 years, and the date has also been given, that is 1/1/2020. You should be possessing 21 years and not more than 38 years. And relaxation has also been given for some of the categories. For SC/ST 5 years, that is for up to 43 years, and OBC MOBC 3 years, and for persons with disability 10 years. Additionally, if you are a PWD person with SC/ST OBC and general category, you will be given extra relaxation, so you can check through it. And next is about the educational qualification. For the post of registered demonstrator resident physician, specially you should possess postgraduate qualification, that is MD, MS, MDS and DNB in concerned subject from an institute. So they are asking a candidate possessing a postgraduate degree in a relevant field. For example, if you are going for radiology, you should possess postgraduate degree in radiology, and they have given some of the categories and the departments also, so I can check through it. And next is about super speciality. This is nothing but you will be given extra weightage for this super speciality also, that is a postgraduate qualification, that is MD and DNB in general medicine for medical super speciality, that is for in the fields of cardiology, neurology, endocrinology, gastroenterology and nephrology. So you can check through this. And additionally, they have also given, if you are a person, that is if you are a doctor who is working under rule 70A of MHRB regulations and rules, you will be given extra weightage. So it was issued by the Health and Family Welfare Department, so you can check through it. So if you are a working person, you will be getting additional benefits and preferences also. And next is about the process of recruitment. So the process of recruitment will be of online interview only. So due to this corona pandemic situation, no interview, that is face-to-face interview, will not be conducted. So online interview will be conducted, so it will be more useful and it will be very convenient for everyone. So online interview will be conducted. In that online interview, your skills, your capabilities and your eligibilities will be tested, so that you will be placed in the position. And the next is about application fees. You should pay a fees of 250 rupees, and for general category candidates should pay 150 rupees. For this post you have to do your online application through online mode. For that you have to pay a rupees of 250. It is for general category people, and for SC, ST, MOBC and SDH etc. categories you should pay 150 rupees as application fees, and no application fees is required for the candidates of BPL and PWD. If you are having these certificates, you are not required to pay any application fees, and it should be deposited only through Treasury Challan in the head of account, and they have given the address also, so you can check through it, or else you can go to the official website and you can pay the fees also. Next, at last they have given some of the terms and conditions regarding this post and the reservation, so you can check through it. And you have, while doing your online application procedure, you have to give the self-attested copies of your testimonials, that is your certificates also. You have to give it on the time of interview also. So application form which is incomplete in any respect, that is like without photograph or without a signature, it will be rejected. So please be careful about that. And the last date for the receipt of online application is 5/12/2020. So please be aware of that and do your online application procedure as soon as possible to reduce final minute rush. So if you are interested and if you think you are eligible for this post, you can apply for this, and it is a very good and a well-known opportunity for everyone. And if you are a working person, you will be getting higher weightage also. All the very best and best of luck from our team for your success. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for more details. Thank you.